Hello and welcome to today's Photo Minute. My name is Brian Osborne, and it's great to be back with you today. And I actually wanted to do something a little different today and show you at least the basics of an actual computer editing tool. And this editing tool is part of the Adobe softwares, both Adobe Photoshop Elements, which I didn't realize until this morning that it was even available in that software, but it's also part of Adobe Photoshop 2020. So if you have either one of those two softwares, you're going to be able to use this really neat tool. And what it does is it allows us to easily take out or remove objects out of our images that we probably didn't want there in the first place, and so we want to be able to easily get those out of the scene itself. Many of you have been following along, and if you haven't and you want to see my backyard wildlife pictures, please do that on our Instagram site where we post a picture every single day. And yesterday's picture, it was really neat. I was really excited about it. A picture of a hummingbird, and I've been using this content-aware fill or removing other unwanted objects quite a bit in some of the pictures that you've been seeing. And so I wanted to just share that tool with you today. And so give me just a second. We're going to see it in operation first in Photoshop Elements, and then we'll do it in Photoshop 2020 as well. I've got the picture pulled up. The unwanted subject matter or object is over here. Just the edge of the feeder that was kind of caught in the final crop here. And so I'm going to go to the selection tools, and I'm going to go to the lasso selection. That one I think is going to work the best for this situation. And I'm going to basically lasso a section that's just a little bit larger than the actual object that I'm wanting to remove. So I'm going to do right there. And then you're going to go under the Edit menu, and you're going to go to Fill Selection. And so let's do that. It automatically comes up with the Content Aware Fill as the device that it's going to use to do that filling for us. And then we're going to hit OK. Now, I've done this a couple times in Photoshop Elements, and it does leave a little bit of a weird pattern in the green. So you're going to get a little extra here, and that's just to do a little bit of a clone. So I'm going to go to the Stamp tool, which is also called the cloning tool. I'm actually going to go to a little bit lower opacity, 60, 70%. So I don't need to be pasting 100% of my area over the problem area, but just a little bit lower opacity, so it kind of gives me a little bit more wiggle room. I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and I'm going to choose my source point in this wide open clean area, and then I'm going to start to paint. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a section here, and then I'm probably going to hit Alt one more time, kind of reset it, and finish it off. So with a little quick easy clone, I was able to combine that with the effect of the Content Aware Fill. Now let's go to Photoshop 2020 to show you how we might do it in that software as well. Here we go, same picture, same situation. Going to use the lasso tool as well in this software. And I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go up and around, and stop there. Now, if you want to find it under the menu, you can actually go into the Edit menu, and you'll see a Content Aware Fill. And that's where we'll probably do a second session on this tool at some point, where we talk about a little bit more of the advanced customizable features that we do have under this tool. But in this case, I don't need those customizable parts of it, so I'm just going to literally hit the delete button. And when I hit the delete button, it comes up with how to fill it. I hit OK. And this one doesn't even need any cloning. It actually did a fabulous job. I can basically go into the select menu, hit deselect, and now I'm done with that picture. And it was very easy to be able to do that. I hope this has been helpful. It's just a great opportunity for us to maybe pull up some pictures that have some unwanted objects in them and see if we can start to get acclimated to using this tool that Adobe provides for us. And once again, I hope you'll get a chance to practice this afternoon, maybe with some of your own images with this technique. Also, we are on the edge of the weekend, and tomorrow I'm excited to announce is our weekend edition of today's Photo Minute, which we call Shoot and Share. I've got two neat challenges that I'll be doing, as well as encouraging all of us to do. I'll share those first thing tomorrow morning, and then we will be off and going. And I hope you not only get a chance to get the camera in your hands to do some practice, but we always encourage people to share the results on our Facebook page as well. And you can do that just by using a comment to the post when I make that post tomorrow for the weekend edition. Once again, thank you for joining me. Have a great day. And thank you again for being here for today's Photo Minute.